most people think that thicker socks will keep your feet warmer.
Right.
No. What I learned is that the thicker socks actually constrict your feet, so there's not enough circulation. So what you want to do is wear a thinner sock with a little bit of wool, or what I do in my skates, like these have like wicking properties.
Oh, just like
so really
when you
thin.
buy workout wear, right?
Yeah.
Wow, they make a wicking
and so
sock.
it's really thin. Your feet can circulate the blood, and they actually stay warmer. I think the only thing that these are good for is like when your kids want to pretend like they're ice skating in the Olympics in the kitchen on the, on
that
the
is
linoleum
adorable.
floor.
I'm so doing that when I get home tonight. So doing that. That looks like so much fun. No, I agree with that, and I didn't know that they even made wicking socks, but why wouldn't they?
Yeah,
they make
but
shirts and jogging
the thinner,
suits and stuff.
thinner, little bit wool
The thinner,
sock
the
will
better.
keep it warm.
Gotcha.
Keep your feet warm.
Not bad.